Has anyone else been obsessed with the unboxings of the lost cargo pallets? Admit it, don't be shy. I have been, no joke, trying to figure out how we could road trip down to Utah because there's been a couple auction yards that I have found down there, and I've just been like, I must do this. I have been so obsessed with watching people like Hope Scope, and then Hustle at Home moms jumped on the bandwagon, and the amount of inventory they find that is like chef's kiss has been my latest obsession. Well, today, apparently the universe just heard my cry and gave me an opportunity even though I was here in Oregon. Recently, I got a message on Instagram that says, hey girl, I recently started a website to sell inventory boxes and was wondering if you would be interested in taking a look. I buy lost cargo and have a huge variety of new tagged items. I've had really great reviews on the website and I would love for you to check it out. I was like, because I started to realize that this trip for me is probably not going to happen anytime soon. And what's to say that even if we were to go down there, that we would actually be able to purchase one of the pallets. The things about the auction yards that have lost cargo pallets is that you have to go pick it up yourself. They do not ship anywhere, which has been my biggest dilemma. So in the meantime, we are going to give this gal a shot. Her website is called the Resell Box, and I'm gonna have all the information down below. I do want to thank Mandy. She did provide me with this box to do an unboxing to showcase to you guys, but let me put it this way. If this box is as good as I hope it's going to be, I told her that I will immediately be purchasing the same box and doing another unboxing on my Instagram channel. So you guys can take a look at this one here, then you can look at it over there, and you know me. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm an extremely excited person right now. But I sell items online on both Poshmark and eBay, and I teach you how to do the same or just purely get to be entertainment for you guys as you see all the items that I pick up to sell online. So if you are new, consider subscribing, because when I do find a good source, I do typically purchase them on a regular basis and continue to showcase to you guys what it is that I'm getting. So if you want to stay kind of on the fence for a hot minute and just watch what I pick up and then decide to pull the trigger, you can absolutely do that. If you watch my unboxing with this and you think I am absolutely going to take the plunge, you can do that as well. All the information is going to be down below, and if there is a promo, I'm going to also put it in the description. So just take a look at that once you watch this unboxing to see all of the details there. I do also want to give a little bit more details into this website since this is a new website. So first and foremost, you're going on to my computer. I will have a timestamp down below if you just want to see the unboxing and skip this portion, but we're going to jump onto the website just because I want you guys to get familiar with it. So she does have multiple boxes. She did also elaborate that she is anticipating getting larger boxes in the future. It was actually really funny. As her and I were talking, she mentioned how she has always loved to shop for the items, but she ends up getting such a plethora of items in her house that she doesn't have time to get everything listed. So she's just like every other reseller here who just absolutely loves the shopping aspect, and so this was a great way for her to be able to purchase all of the things and not necessarily have to always list all the items. She could create these boxes for other resellers who are trying to look for this type of inventory, which, say less, I am here for it. So their goal is to offer you inventory that you're looking for without the hassle. We know that all new with tagged inventory can be tricky. We'll take the risk with a large purchase, sort out the junk, and then offer you the quality name brand items that allows you to resell items for a profit. She does have 3 boxes as of right now. She has the bargain box plus, the original resell box, and the resell box plus. As I mentioned, as she continues to get lost cargo, which we know there can be such an array of different things that you get, very typical to a unmanifested pallet. She said if she gets a plethora of like swimsuits, then she might create boxes that are just specific for that category at that time, but there's clearly going to be kind of a limited edition aspect, just like any other wholesaler. If you've purchased from some of them that have gone around in the community before, they just never know what they're going to be able to get unless they're actually working directly with with a brand. So this is no different than what we see pretty much from any other wholesaler. So the Bargain Box Plus is $200, and it has brands like Old Navy, H&M, Gap, Amazon, Target, other generic brands, and Shein. That is 80 items of clothing that will go into that box. Next, she has the original resale box. That one is $150. It has great variety, styles, and brands that is equivalent to 600 MSRP. So that is what the retail price would be at the stores, which we know doesn't always equate to what it is in the resale world. But you would find brands like Athleta, Gymshark, Adidas, Ralph Lauren, ASOS, Anthropologie, and Nike, and of course more. Then you have the Resale Box Plus. This is $275, and this one has the same brand list, but it is equivalent to 1,200 MSRP. And she does obviously mention we purchased lost freight, so there's a huge array of brands that we receive. These are very typical brands that you might find, but we can always end up with more brands at any given moment. Let's get into the box, because I am so excited to get into this box. Okay, so the box that she ended up giving me this time is the last one that I talked about, the one that's supposed to be equivalent to 1,200 MSRP. And that's what I told her. If I receive this box, then I will repurchase this box if it is good, and I will do another unboxing on my Instagram. So this is a tidbit of what it would look like if you were to get this box. So some of the stuff is partly bagged, some of it is opened. Let me give you a look. All right, so the first thing I see is this white pair of shorts, Vineyard Vines. These say white cap, 5-inch everyday shorts. This is a size 2. The MSRP is $64. Next we have, oh, a Madewell shirt, it looks like. I should just like open these. Not all of them are like this, so we might as well. Just a nice, this is such a great spring color. I'm gonna get this one listed like ASAP. This is a size small, really, really great top. And I love that it has like that ribbed detail. So obviously this one's new at tags. Next, ooh, this is such a great Lulu's color for spring. This is a nice dress. Let me see if I can get this correct. There we go. I like how the straps are like that. This is such a cute button detail on the back. And this is a size small. If there's anything that interests you guys, feel free to comment down below with your email, and I will work out the pay and give you the tracking number to send it out. This is pretty long too, and I'm not seeing any flaws on this, so that is a win. Ooh, what is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. This is so insane. What is it? Oh my gosh, this is Savage by Fenty. Holy Lanta. Look at this bad boy. This is new at tag, so that's a good thing. Definitely want that with this lingerie. I have never found this brand before. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it does actually have like the snaps here. I was afraid that maybe it was missing buttons, but it isn't. This is a size. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is in here. This is a size large. Oh my word. Say less. Take my money. I feel like the person that has like their credit card is like, take my money. Just take it. Michael Kors size large, navy blue jacket. I do still like picking up this brand, especially if it is newer with tags and not high overpriced. This is originally from Macy's, and it doesn't have the MSRP on it. Ooh, I like the jeans of this. Ooh, Levi's. Okay, this is a size 6 high-rise straight crop. The other great thing about new at tags items is the fact that it'll have the style name on it, and I don't have to do a lot of research to figure it out. I love the way that the raw hem looks on the bottom. Oh, there's some distressing on the front too. Oh, she is a win. Ooh, Maeve by, I'm gonna be saying ooh a lot. Anthropologie. This is a size 2, originally $98. She is gorgeous. And I feel like, oh, there's just a tiny little mark right there. The fact that it kind of feels like silk to me. No, it's viscose, but I was afraid maybe some of the seams were pulling. But it does actually look like there is a little like drip or something that got on that spot. So I can just really color treat that. That should be good to go. Electric and Rose, Time to Live. What in the world is this? This looks like a sports bra. Ooh, I like that. That is fun. It's a size large. She is cute. I like how long that is. I prefer sports bras that are like that. And this is adorable too. This is a burnt orange Athleta. These look like joggers. Yeah, they are joggers. This is regularly $98. And these are large tall. That is great. I love that it has pockets too. Another new tagged items. I think it's really safe to say, guys, these are going to be all new tags. What is this? Offline by Ari. Just a really nice cropped polo shirt. This is an extra large. I don't mind having this brand, especially like in this box. I prefer having Ari and American Eagle in my store. I feel like they sell all right because they're good trendy. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, these are Converse. They are size 6. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so cute. I love little kid shoes. I am obsessed with these. Oh my goodness, these are cute. I'm so glad none of my kids will fit that because I just need to sell those. They're adorable. All right, next we have Urban Outfitters. This is a size large. Wow, there's a lot of great sizing in here. Love this top. That is definitely a Y2K kind of 90s vibe right there. Some really great keywords. Love that. It feels really soft too. What is this? I'm going to jump down to here. Oh, this looks like Duluth Trading. Yep, Duluth Trading. I haven't been showing you guys the tags. I apologize. That's what the tag looks like. This looks like a women's. Yep, women's. It's more of a performance. It's not like a cotton button down, but a really great material. Good performance material. This one is an extra small. And the MSRP is $64 regularly. This is the other thing I love about getting wholesale boxes like this, is you can end up with brands that aren't local to you, so you can learn about new brands and see which ones are good sellers. So this is not a brand I've heard of before. It is Vissla, V-I-S-S-L-A. It looks like it's an L, but I don't know why it'd be a capital L right there. Unless it's Vis-L-A, I'm not sure. But these look like men's either performance shorts or they could be swim shorts. They actually could be swim shorts. Yeah, I'll have to do some research on that one, but that looks pretty good. Oh, no way! We have some Everlane jeans. These are new. They are the skinny jean high stretch. They are a size 28-34, and they're more of a dark wash. Should I open this up? Do you guys want to see them? I think you want to see them. Ooh! I've always wanted a pair of Everlane jeans. They say Everlane uniform right there. That's really interesting. Super awesome. Love the dark wash. Love that it's solid. Not any distressing in it. Next we have a Hurley item, which I actually love selling this brand. This is a great knit striped. I love the colors. This stripe, the colorway is actually really good for springtime, even though it's like a sweater. I like that. This is a size medium. Next we have a pair of Madewell jeans. This is a size 27. It is the classic straight. They regularly sell for $128. Isn't that crazy? And again, a solid, no distressing on them. It's a great piece. Next we have, oh my gosh, this looks really cool. Headgear Classic Jersey. This reminds me, the way that this one looks reminds me of Space Jam. And then this is regularly $100. Next we have, looks like a Nike shirt, polo shirt. Yeah. Just a nice one, new tags. This is a size medium. Looks like a men's medium. And then a standard fit, dry fit men's medium as well. This one's a red, as you can see. Oh my gosh, this is Kate Spade. And it's a set. So you have that one. It's a pajama set. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how cute it is. It is so stinking soft too. This is a size small. I can't even imagine. Yep, $78 regularly. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this another Everlane? Yes, it is. These are gray, another size 28-34. These are Everlane pants. They are a gray color, as you can see right there. I just want to keep moving along, so I'm not going to open that one. What is this? Super dry? Wow. These feel like snow pants. These are awesome though. Are they? Yeah, these are snow pants. They've got that down there. These are size 4, and I don't have the MSRP on them, but these look like good quality, super good quality. I will take those. Oh, another Lulu's piece. I like the maroon color too. Even though it's more of like a fall color, I still really like this color. This is a size medium. This is a nice structured. There we go. Oh, wait, is that it? Yeah, maybe it goes like that. I think so. Very cute. And this one is a little more of like a fit and maybe a midi length. Next we have junk in your trunk. These are swim. Such good things to have right as we're going into spring, summertime for sure. What is this? Another pair of junk in your trunks? No, wait, this looks like a dress. No, I'm so confused. No, this is not. What are you? They're shorts, that's for sure. Oh, they're Athleta shorts. Wow, these look great. They are a 1X. These are super awesome. I love the length of them. That is a great one. So clearly she kind of just rolls with it because not all these bags were open, so you can't really see the MSRP on all of them. This is a American Eagle size medium. Is this a skirt? Yeah, this is a skirt. What is this? This is what I was curious about. Does anyone know this brand? I feel like I should know this brand. The way that this cloud looks, it's hysterical. Oh my gosh, what is that? Wow! Oh my goodness. Just zip your head up all the way, why don't you? This one is a size medium. That is so interesting, and I love this color. Let's see. A couple more things. Next we have another polo. This is another Nike Dry Fit, standard fit medium. This is, oh, sleeveless. So just a nice performance one. If you guys have been on our channel for a while, you know that we love selling Nike, so I'm not opposed to that. This is a nice slip dress. This is cute. What brand is this? Oh my gosh, this is Skims. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This is a size extra large. Oh my word. Yes. I'm so happy. Leave it down in the comments below. Would you repurchase this box if this is how each one of the boxes are? I will say, in my opinion, I will be ordering another box and I will be doing that unboxing on my Instagram. So be sure you are following us at Ashley Wheeler of 8 over there because that should be coming soon. But I am super excited to get all these pieces listed and I hope this was informational for you guys. Hit that like if this was, and I will see you next week. Bye.